Courtney from Houston, Texas. How did you go at Paint Blooms USA? Look at that. You've done that in 2 days and a bit.
It's a miracle.
Yeah.
Jackie is a miracle.
Well, you've worked hard. It's so good. And have you ever painted anything like this before? Is this a first for you?
This is a first really, really big canvas for me, for sure. And nothing this intricate.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really beautiful. The colours are incredible that you've built up here. And so did you like the blooms painting method that you just learned?
Absolutely. I highly recommend it.
Yeah. And have you had fun?
Absolutely. The warehouse was a shock at first, but we all had a wonderful time together.
Yeah, yeah. You are really in an artist loft here in LA. And yeah, it is a different experience, isn't it? So that was the first for you to stay in a,
Yes, it was.
in a loft. And has it been good in the end?
It has been good, absolutely.
Okay. So new experiences and
Yes.
new sensations and
All kind of new experiences this trip.
have you enjoyed the other ladies?
Absolutely. They are all wonderful. I hope we'll all become email pals.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. And you met a lady on one of my Facebook sites.
Yes, just from 20 miles away. So we
Yes.
traveled together.
Yeah, so you'll probably be painting together, which is awesome. So well done, and thank you so much for coming.
Oh, I had a wonderful time.
Thank you.